Forget those expensive, bulky ab exercisers. They can't do what the age-old wheel has been doing for more than 60 years. Now, the Revoflex Xtreme has revolutionized wheel exercising by taking the proven wheel movement and making it easier, effortless, and much more effective with its bi-directional power assist technology. As you move forward, the tension in the power assist bands builds up, giving you more resistance and a stronger workout. Then, when you slide back, that built-up tension is slowly released, forcing the bands to contract, making it easier for you to return to your original position. Revoflex makes it easier for anyone to exercise, no matter what shape you're in. And because it's easier and effortless, your workouts will be a lot more fun, which will motivate you to continue exercising to achieve your goals. Unlike conventional ab exercises that work only one abdominal area at a time and let you rest between reps, Revoflex targets the upper, middle, and lower abs and the core muscles simultaneously by constantly giving them positive and negative resistance, which never lets them rest. This makes the Revoflex workout much more intense, more efficient, and it provides better results in less time than conventional exercises or equipment. It even lets you move sideways to work your lats and obliques, toning them to eliminate embarrassing love handles. But there's more. With Revoflex, you'll tighten your booty, firm up your inner and outer thighs, and even develop your chest, shoulders, arms, and back, all in the same movement. It fully engages your body's core and upper body muscles, working them harder, more rapidly, and more thoroughly than they've ever been exercised before. So you can get those sculpted abs and well-defined arms, chest, and shoulders. The more you use Revoflex, the more calories and fat you'll burn, making you lose more weight and inches. You'll lose up to 6 pounds and 6 inches in just 6 days guaranteed, or your money back. All it takes is 5 minutes a day to transform your body from this to this, and from this to this in weeks, not months. And now, through this special TV-only offer, the Revoflex Xtreme is yours for the incredibly low price that's on your screen. That's right, for this unbelievably low price, you can get the sexy, toned, and sculpted body you've always wanted. Your Revoflex Xtreme also comes with this great extra resistance feature for the power assist bands, so you can adjust your workout according to your fitness level and supercharge the intensity whenever you're ready. But wait, call now and we'll give you this handy travel bag that lets you conveniently take your Revoflex wherever you go. We'll also include the Revoflex Advanced Workout Guide to help you shape, tone, and strengthen your body. Plus, this free Revoflex diet plan booklet packed with healthy, delicious recipes. You get the Revoflex Xtreme with adjustable resistance feature and instruction manual, the travel bag, the workout guide, and the diet plan, all for the amazing low price that's on your screen. Imagine being able to fit into that cool pair of jeans, or to wear that sexy, eye-catching dress you've only dreamed about wearing. And think about how great you would feel with a ripped six-pack and sculpted arms and shoulders. Well, it's all possible with the Revoflex Xtreme. So call now.